Hello everyone. My name is Pawan Mishra. I am a music teacher in Venkateshwar International School Sector 10 Dwarka, New Delhi. I have been awarded by Honorable Education Minister Shri Ramesh Pokhariyal Nishank for my idea of teaching music to students. The idea is called Kawad Se Jugaad. In my experience of teaching music, I found that there are countable children who are interested in learning music but are unable to buy musical instruments due to their economic conditions. I thought of using ways to create instruments so that it can be accessible to all and it can facilitate their music learning. I have used waste materials like trash cans, plastic tubs, bottles, PVC pipes, sticks, etc. to create instruments out of them. These can be accessible to everyone and it does not cost anything and can be easily found from anywhere. I have used whatever materials I could find to create melodic and rhythmic sounds out of it. I feel it also supports the idea of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. The waste can be put to good use. Music should be taught to children as it develops patience and focus in them. With this idea, the limitation will break and it can be made available to everyone irrespective of their economical conditions. I am very thankful to Sri Aurobindo Society and HDFC Bank for providing me such a wonderful platform to exhibit my idea. Here is a glimpse of what my students have created out of waste. Thank you.
Thank you.